Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade crypto on Bitunix. To get started, you need to create an account on the Bitunix platform. This involves providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to you by Bitunix. After verifying your email address, you will need to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This can be done using a mobile app such as Google Authenticator. Once you have set up two-factor authentication, you can deposit funds into your account. Bitunix supports a variety of payment methods including bank transfers, credit cards, and other cryptocurrencies. To deposit funds using a bank transfer, you need to go to the deposit section of the platform and select the currency you want to deposit. You will then be given the bank account details of Bitunix, which you can use to transfer funds from your bank account. It may take a few days for the funds to be credited to your account. To deposit funds using a credit card, you need to go to the deposit section of the platform and select the currency you want to deposit. You will then be asked to enter your credit card details and the amount you want to deposit. The funds will be credited to your account immediately. Once you have deposited funds into your account, you can start trading. To do this, you need to go to the trading section of the platform and select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. You can then choose to either buy or sell the cryptocurrency at the current market price. You can also set a limit order, which allows you to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a specific price. It is essential to have a basic understanding of the cryptocurrency market and the risks involved in trading before you start. The cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile and you may lose some or all of your investment if you do not understand what you are doing. It is also essential to have a trading strategy and to stick to it. Some best practices to keep in mind when trading crypto on Bitunix include starting with small amounts, diversifying your portfolio, and keeping your account secure. You should also keep yourself informed about market trends and news that may affect the price of the cryptocurrencies you are trading. In conclusion, trading crypto on Bitunix is a simple and straightforward process. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and keeping the best practices in mind, you can safely and securely trade cryptocurrencies on the Bitunix platform. Remember to always do your own research and to never invest more than you can afford to lose.